Hey, Katie, can you tell us about your world?
In my world, everybody's a pony, and we all eat rainbows and put butterflies.
That's beautiful, Katie. That's actually not beautiful, Katie.
Let me see some papers and your ID.
Scissors. I win. Meow, 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 meow. Hey, no.
Keep it down over there.
No.
What did you say?
No. And I got shot to death four times. No.
Hey! Hey, put the money in the bag right now.
It's too late, mister. I have 5 million power inside of Rise of Kingdoms.
No.
Bye-bye.
No.
What a hard day at work today. Gotta go home and check on Mr. Bobby Cleanman. He's my son. Mr. Bobby Cleanman, why are you covered in peanut butter? What? Yes, I got a freaking Pokemon. Beat that. Closure. Let's see what Pokemon I get. There you big. Hello, Pum. Why you looking? Alright guys, so there's a ghost here, and I found an eye for I am Ghost Poopy. It's like the ghost poopy monster. Oh man. That's a sign that a ghost is nearby.
Oh, I am Ghost.
I think it came from over here.
Uh-oh.
Did you just...
You saw nothing? Cool to be a gangster.
Whoops! How's your team, mister? Bear, let's do a jumping competition.
No.
Ready. You go first. Jump. Right. 3, 2, 1, go!
What the fuck?
Hi, Bear. Do a trick. You're stupid, Bear. I'm leaving.
Luke, I am your father.
No.
What do you mean, nuh-uh?
I said no. The tortoise and the hare running the race. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm just gonna take a nap. He's never gonna get here. What the hell? Oh, I don't think so. Whoops.
That negative and positive don't work.
I'm late.
You're late again? How about you teach the class how to do this then?
Okay. Okay, so
What is that?
I was hungry. So you take the Sprite bottle, you pour it on the pan, And then this one will open. This is too hard.
I think you open.
No.
You have 10 seconds to come to the bridge. I have a grappler, so let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm here.
Grapper now. You're too late.
Nah.
Sucker.
The tortoise and the hare race. 3, 2, 1, go. Hee.
Yeah, who just had like a 1x1 Lego piece? Bro, hold on, I need to go get a snack. This town is big enough for the two of us.
Doesn't the saying go, this town isn't big enough for the two of us?
Nah, I'm just joking.
No.
I'm gonna cook with a Sprite bottle and a pan. Let's get started. I'm gonna add stuff to the pan. What? It's not dripping. 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 What the? It's not dripping. No! Isaac, no!
Whoever comes to the bridge first gets a free grappler, but if you don't come in the bridge in less than 10 seconds, I'll throw it in the ocean. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You made it.
Too late.